Hi, my name is Evan Silverstein. I'm the owner of Sand Free and Colonial Floors, Virginia, located in Richmond, Virginia. We're going to come out with a video series of different topics, of tips, maintenance, habits for your hard floor refinishing needs, and different options when you install new floors. So today we're going to a house located in the Museum District of Richmond, Virginia, and we're going to show you how to wax your floors. So waxing your floors was very common in the 1950s and 60s, but now it's a lost art. We're keeping that art alive because we do have needs where people can't sand and finish their floors anymore, and there are very few options available to them. This is a great affordable option. Come on inside.
Hi, this is Cameron with Sand Free. Today we're going to show you the process of cleaning and waxing a hardwood floor. We vacuum the floors to make sure that the floors are thoroughly clean. And part of the cleaning process is we'll use mineral spirits to deglaze and clean the floor. We apply the wax by hand to ensure that we're getting all the corners and crevices of the floor. After applying the wax and it is dried, we would come back and polish or buff the floors to put a shine on it. When we're polishing the floor, we'll go cross grain and then come back and go with the grain to ensure you get everything. When I'm polishing the floor, I always make sure that I've worked myself out of the room so I'm not leaving any footprints behind. Although you can walk on it immediately, for best results, if you could stay off of it a couple of hours just to give it, some time to harden up, that would be good.
Well, thanks for joining us today. We'd like to educate, communicate, and inform our clients on the flooring needs. Subscribe to our channel for future tips, maintenance ideas, and flooring options for your future needs. Thank you. See you next time.